Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I do a Milky Way tumbler. I've already got the white spray paint on it and some white glitter. I'm just going to be putting on the second coat of epoxy. This is going to help all of the colors swirl together. You want to make sure and put enough epoxy on that the colors will have a chance to move around. So this is kind of what they call a flood coat. Now I'm just going to let the cup spin for a minute or two to let the epoxy even itself out all over the cup. Now I'm just going to be taking some mica powder that I have mixed into some epoxy, and I'm going to be laying it on the cup. As you can tell, I am laying it in a sideways motion because that is what's going to give the Milky Way effect, but you can lay the mica powder however you want. I have chosen two different mica powder colors to use on this cup, and as you can tell, I go back and realize that I like the first color a little bit better than I did the second color, but I still think at the end this cup turns out really pretty. Now I'm going to be taking my finger and just sliding it across the mica powder because I don't want the cup to have the ridges. I want to smooth everything out so that when I heat it up, it'll have the swirls and everything really nicely. This is when I realize I like the first color a little bit better than I do the second, so I go in and add some more. Now I'm going to take my heat gun and apply just a little bit of heat because I don't want the cup to have swirls going in a circular motion. I want the mica powder to stay in the same direction that I laid it. This is just going to help it all mix together. Just add a little bit of heat at a time because you do not want the epoxy to dry up. I have made that mistake before and your swirls will stop and the epoxy literally just kind of dries up and you won't get any kind of swirled effect. So at this point I feel like I wanted to add a little bit more of the mica powder. You do whatever you think is going to look good on your cup. This is just how I'm doing it with this one. Every cup is different. So here is what the cup is looking like. I am going to show it what it looks like with flash on as well, so that you guys can see the colors a lot better. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will subscribe, and I will see you guys later.